Hi everyone, welcome to Tania's Kitchen, where I teach you simple and helpful recipes. Today I will be teaching you how to make a simple curried chickpeas. So as we know, we're plant-based and people always ask, where do we get our protein from? Well, here's the answer. We get it from our beans. So today it's from our chickpeas. So what I have about 2 cans of chickpeas, and just to let you know, if you're using cans, you look on the label and it should say like low salt or no salt, because of the sodium content, it will cause you to raise your blood pressure. So you want to be careful with that. I cut up some Irish potatoes. If you don't like Irish potatoes, you can use sweet potatoes of choice. Some carrots. I did some green onions, regular onions, garlic. I have coconut milk and some homemade curry powder. I'll teach you how to make this in another episode. So what we're going to do, we're going to move over to the stove and begin cooking. All right, so here on the stove we have our pan with about a tablespoon of oil, and you can use the oil of choice. I'd recommend like avocado oil, coconut oil, or grapeseed oil. So we're going to saute our onions for a bit. As you know, you want them to be a little bit translucent. So it says normally take about 3 to 4 minutes. I have a gas stove, so it's really like extremely powerful. So it smells so good. All right, we'll give it a little bit more stir. So you want to stir it constantly because you don't want it to burn while it sautés. And once it start to look a little bit translucent, you can go ahead and add your garlic. And your garlic are very good for you. It builds up your immune system, and especially during these times, we want our system, to be operating at its maximum. So we're just going to saute the garlic. Let's try to get everything out. And then I have the green onions, which I'm just going to add at this time. I just want to add it in. And the trick with curry, you want to release, the nutrients from it. So you want it to, as they call it, burn the curry. So you want to put it in. Make sure your fire is not too high. You just want to mix it in. Ooh, that smells so good. And in the curry, it has turmeric. And turmeric is very good for inflammation. So people who suffer from inflammation, like arthritis and stuff like that, turmeric is excellent to be using on an everyday basis. And even for pain. All right, that looks really nice. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and just add my carrots in. You can add any vegetables of choice. That's fine. You know how you like to prepare your dish. You go ahead and go ahead and add it. Whatever your family like, go right ahead. So now we're just going to go ahead and add our coconut milk. This is like 1 can. Ooh. All right. And you just want to wait until it starts to boil. Then I'll go ahead and add my potatoes and my chickpeas. Smells so good in the kitchen. And remember to try to get your daily intake of vegetables, 3 to 5 servings every single day. The more greens that you put in the body, the more the body is able to fight off diseases. So you want to try to eat as healthy as possible. All right, so the pot is now bubbling. So we're going to go ahead and add the potatoes. As I said before, if you don't want to use regular potatoes, sweet potato, or yams, whatever you like. And then we're gonna add the chickpeas. And then we don't have enough liquid, you can add a cup of water, and you just want to turn on the fire to about simmer, and then just let it cook. Or I shouldn't say simmer, turn it down to low and let it cook. And once the potato is ready, your dinner is ready. And what you can serve it with is a brown rice, quinoa, and if you have Jamaican ripe plantain, go ahead. Really nice. So I think this needs a little bit more water. So we'll just add a little bit. And a tip for when you're using water, make sure the water is boiling, like off the kettle. So you want to use hot water. So just go ahead and add some water. And there we go. We'll just let it come to a boil and turn it down. Oh, and if you want it thicker, you could add arrowroot powder. I know a lot of people use cornstarch, but as you know, cornstarch is genetically modified, so arrowroot is a safer bet to use. And it's the same thing. You just mix it in a little bit of room temperature to cold water and just add it to your pot. Okay, we're gonna leave it and let it cook for a while. All right, guys, here we have it, our final product, curry chickpeas. It looks so delicious. It will be my dinner tonight. There you have it, guys, curry chickpeas. Give it a try, and in the comment below, let me know how it turned out. Thank you again for watching Tania's Kitchen.